Right, just a quick video from Autosparx this morning. Just working on this 2018 Range Rover autobiography. Everything's touchscreen in these new vehicles now. If you've not seen one before, everything's controlled by a touchscreen. They come equipped from factory with TV, which for obvious reasons switches off as soon as you start driving the vehicle. We can do a little hack on this vehicle to allow the TV screen and the audio to stay on while you're driving. Obviously don't watch it while you're driving, but it's for your passengers' benefit more than the drivers. But so we're in a safe car park at the moment, so I'll give you a demonstration of how that works. So if we just turn the volume up to activate the in motion activation, we double click the rear defrost, which is this button here. It resets every time you turn the ignition off, so at the moment we've activated it by double pressing the button. So now let's drive the car, have some volume on. So we're, as I say, we're in a car park, so we're in our HQ, so we're quite safe to do this. So there we go. So the car is now moving, as you can see there. Bing bong, so I've not got my seatbelt on either. But TV still on. Audio for the TV still on. There we go. So great solution. Keep your passengers entertained while you're on a long drive. They can carry on watching TV. Give us a call if you need any more info. 0330 010 0506.